everyone, and welcome to PC Tips Pro. If you've ever juggled multiple windows and apps and felt like your desktop was pure chaos, then today's video is for you. We're diving into Windows Snap Layout, which is an amazing feature in Windows 11 that will help you multitask like a pro. So let's get started. Firstly, what exactly are snap layouts? Snap layouts are built-in Windows management tools that let you quickly arrange open apps into efficient organized layouts so that you're free of dragging or resizing manually. Basically, you get more work done with fewer clicks. So to use snap layouts, just simply hover over the maximize button on any window, and from here you'll see multiple layout options like the 50-50 split, the 70-30 column, the 3 column, 4 quadrant, all depending on your screen size. So if you just go ahead and click on any one of these, and there you go, you have your screen split into parts. So all you need to do is just click on any one of your desired zone and Windows will guide you to fill the rest with your other open apps. You can even access snap layouts with keyboard shortcuts. So all you need to do is just press on Windows plus the left or the right arrow to snap to the other side. And then just press Windows plus the upward or the downward key to move snap windows between the quadrants. Now Windows plus the Z key opens the snap layout menu instantly. So just go ahead and choose one. This is perfect for power users who want to fly through tasks without touching the mouse. Now here's where it really gets cool. So all you need to do is just hover over your taskbar icon and you will see the snap group preview. So if you just click on it, your entire setup comes back in one click. It's great for switching between a work layout, a research layout, or a creative setup. Snap layouts aren't just for productivity. They are for creators, gamers, students, and basically everyone. Now, if you want to fine-tune the behavior of snap layouts, then just go ahead and open your settings. Then from the left-hand side, go to the system option. And then from here, just go down to the multitasking option. And under the snap windows, just go ahead and toggle features on or off, like showing snap suggestions, resizing together, and more. So just go ahead and customize it just the way you like. If you're using multiple monitors, snap layouts work seamlessly across them too. So you can set up different snap groups on each screen and multitask like a beast. Well, so that was it. That is how you master snap layouts in Windows 11 like a pro. Whether you're editing videos, managing spreadsheets, or attending Zoom calls, snap layouts will change the way you work. So if this video helped you out, hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box below. Thank you and have a nice day.